Taking a look here at number 34, we have used the properties of logarithms to rewrite the expression, simplify the result if possible, assume all variables represent positive real numbers. We have log base 3 of x to the fourth y squared over 8. And just like with number 33, we're going to go ahead and let me pull up the chart. We're going to use the properties here, properties of logarithms. This chart is from your book on page 419, to rewrite the expression using probably both addition and subtraction, because if we go back and look, we were talking about multiplication in our numerator, right? We have x to the fourth times y squared, so we have multiplication happening in the numerator, but because we also have division, we're also dealing or going to be dealing with subtraction. So let me go back to this other chart. So you can see here, and we also looked at in video number 33, what happens with multiplication. We introduce addition, and when we have division, we're going to use the quotient property to split up that division using subtraction. So let's go back and take a look at what's happening here. So we know that we're going to split up the numerator using addition. So let's go ahead and do that first. So we have log base 3 of x to the fourth plus log base 3 of y squared. And then because we are dividing those that x to the fourth and y squared by 8, we have to say minus log base 3 of 8. And now, like we discussed in video 33, if you have any exponents, go ahead and move those out front. And rewriting this for the final time, we have 4 log base 3 of x plus 2 log base 3 of y minus log base 3 of 8. Let's see if any of our A, B, C, or D choices fit. A, 4 log base 3 of x, so that looks good, plus 2 log base 3 of y, looks good, minus log base 3 of 8. I think we found it. We could go through and eliminate B, C, and D. Here, 4 log base 3 of x, well, that matches, plus 2 log base 3 of y, that matches, but notice here they have plus log base 3 of 8. This should be a minus, so we know that B is not correct. Watch those signs, be careful. C, we can definitely tell, is not correct, and D, again, not correct. So A is our answer for number 34.